Hello, fellow garden enthusiasts. Are you ready to add some incredible aroma and flavor to your home garden? Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing thyme. This versatile herb is a true garden superstar. Thyme is not just for cooking. It's also beautiful, drought-tolerant, and brings a fantastic fragrance to any space. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can grow thriving thyme. Let's get started on your journey to a fragrant herb patch. Thyme is incredibly rewarding to grow. It's perfect for adding depth to your culinary creations. Imagine fresh sprigs from your garden elevating your roasts, soups, and even cocktails. Beyond its culinary uses, thyme is a fantastic ground cover. It can suppress weeds and handle foot traffic. Plus, pollinators love its tiny, delicate flowers. It's a win-win for your garden and local ecosystem. There are so many wonderful types of thyme to explore. Common thyme, or garden thyme, is a popular choice for cooking. It offers robust flavor and upright growth. Lemon thyme, with its zesty scent, is another fantastic option. It's perfect for poultry and fish dishes. Creeping thymes are excellent for landscaping and filling in gaps. Do a little research and pick what excites you most. Thyme loves sunshine, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sun daily. Well-draining soil is crucial for thyme's success. It absolutely hates wet feet, which can lead to root rot. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with sand or compost to improve drainage. You can start thyme from seeds, small plants, or cuttings. Starting with small plants or cuttings usually gives quicker results. When planting, ensure enough space between plants for air circulation. This helps prevent fungal issues. Gently loosen the roots before placing them in the ground. Water them in lightly after planting. Thyme is a low-maintenance herb, which makes it perfect for busy gardeners. Once established, it's quite drought-tolerant. Only water when the soil feels dry to the touch. Avoid overwatering at all costs. Thyme thrives on neglect more than too much fuss. Generally, thyme doesn't need much fertilizer. If your soil is poor, a light feeding with a balanced organic fertilizer once in spring is sufficient. Pruning is key to keeping your thyme happy and productive. After flowering, or when it starts to look leggy, trim it back. This encourages new growth and keeps the plant bushy. Don't remove more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Harvesting thyme is incredibly easy and encourages more growth. You can start harvesting once the plant is well established. Simply snip off sprigs as needed. The best time to harvest for peak flavor is in the morning after the dew has dried. Always use sharp scissors or pruners to make clean cuts. You can use your fresh thyme immediately or dry it for later use. To dry thyme, tie small bundles and hang them upside down in a warm, dark, well-ventilated area. Once crisp, strip the leaves from the stems and store them in an airtight container. Your home will smell amazing. Thyme is generally pest and disease resistant, but a few issues can pop up. Overwatering is the biggest culprit for problems. It can lead to root rot or fungal diseases. Ensure proper drainage and avoid watering too frequently. If you see signs of powdery mildew, improve air circulation. Keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids. Though they rarely bother thyme much, a strong blast of water often dislodges them. Now for the best part, enjoying your homegrown thyme. Fresh thyme sprigs are perfect for seasoning roasted vegetables, poultry, and fish. Try infusing olive oil or vinegar with it for a gourmet touch. Thyme also makes a delicious, soothing herbal tea. Just steep a few sprigs in hot water. Don't be afraid to experiment. Thyme can add a wonderful, earthy note to many dishes. And there you have it. Growing thyme like a pro is completely achievable for anyone. With a little sunshine, well-drained soil, and occasional pruning, you'll have a bountiful supply of this aromatic herb. So go ahead, give thyme a try in your garden. You'll love the fresh flavors and beautiful greenery it brings. Happy gardening, everyone!